So here's some more fun with diminished chords, right? We'll just do some something in the E flat. All right. What I played there is in A flat, not E flat, right? So I'm gonna show you how this works melodically. The first thing I like to look at is these, what I like to call a descending minor thirds, right? So the melody, if you can hear it, is just, all right, A flat, G, F sharp, G flat, F, and then the left hand is going to be F, E, E flat, D, right? So that's your first lesson here on this, right? Very simple. So get that in your mind. Get that, let that sizzle in your spirit. Now, we're going to play the A flat minor, right? So as we do the A flat minor, this is our first chord. Once you have this, you're just going to go down in half steps. That's it. A flat minor, G minor, F sharp minor, and then F minor, right? F sharp, G flat, G sharp minor, and F minor. And then we end on the first diminished chord of the sequence, this G diminished 7th over the C and the E. I like the C because it gives it that nice dissonance, right? To help us to, progress to move the progression forward. So the chord progression, walk down, start from, it's really an F minor 7 flat 5 or F half diminished, E half diminished, E flat half diminished, D half diminished 7th to a C, all right, C 7th with a flat 9, and then now we walk up. So the melody is really nice, passing tone from E to F, G to A flat. The left hand is C, D, E, F. Put it together, we have the magic of, sounds real pretty, right? Let's put the chords to that, and then we just do G diminished over C, C7 flat 9. All right, it's D diminished 7th, E diminished 7th, and then we resolve to naturally to the F minor, and that's how that comes together. Just as a reminder, we walk down, and then we come back up. And as we complete this chord here, right, now we set the second chord up with the first chord we played. So remember, this is the first chord in our sequence to get right back to it, to get out of the sequence. The A flat minor over the F, and then we do this chord here, A flat minor over F, to a C diminished 7th, to a F sharp diminished 7th, and then we land on this B flat. It's a B flat chord without the B flat. Okay, again, real quick. And now we resolve it. Resolve, build the tension back up. B flat chord, D, A flat C, F, A flat C. All right, and then we have our Mozart flair. Okay, and then Kirk Franklin ending, right? The reason why I sing. Just left hand. Everything revolves around that third, because the third is the third of A flat is C in it. There you go. When you learn things together, it's difficult to break it up. So A flat, E flat, G, F, E flat, A flat, right? And that will be the harmony. That will be how that works. Quit stalking my channel. I know you guys are out there. You're looking at my stuff. I'm seeing it in the metrics, but you're not committing. We got to commit, guys. Come on, we got to commit. I got a lot of stuff for you. All right, just don't forget, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification to check out more of the stuff that I put on YouTube. And I got a special gift here for you today. That's right. Sounding like an infomercial, but if you check out my description, I have a guide. It's called the Tritone Cheat Sheet. Tritone Cheat Sheet guide will help you out, 100% free. Links in the description. And God bless you. I will see you in the next video.